Let's make our first simple app in Xcode. First, let's add a button. Click the plus icon and drag the button over. Next, make the button the size of your screen. And after that, change the text of a button to nothing, so it's empty. Now, let's open our assistant. And now, we can add some basic code that essentially creates an outlet for this button and then create the variable called light on. When the button is pressed, we toggle the light on so it turns white or black, and we call the update UI function. The update UI function then changes the background to white or black. Let's connect our button to our outlet by clicking Control, and then let's also click Control and connect it to our function. And now let's run our app. And now we can see that we created our first simple light app.